If you've ever felt overwhelmed by smoke and odors while cooking, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Comfy CVU 30W2AST Range Hood. Let's kick things off with the Comfy CVU 30W2AST Range Hood, priced at just $79.99. What caught my eye was its sleek stainless steel design and the promise of a powerful 200 CFM suction. If you want a reliable option that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This hood has a 2-speed exhaust fan that can quickly remove smoke and cooking odors, which is critical if you love frying or cooking with strong spices. The 200 CFM airflow means it can handle mid-sized kitchens without a hitch, and the low noise level ensures your conversations won't be drowned out while cooking. Plus, it's designed for both ducted and ductless installation, giving you flexibility based on your kitchen setup. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're handy or willing to follow the instructions closely, it's not a deal breaker. Just be prepared to take your time with it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that provides solid performance. Skip this one if you need advanced features or a super quiet operation. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if that installation hassle bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, the Broan Nutone 41302, available for $70.60. This black under-cabinet range hood caught my attention for its effective ductless system and built-in lighting. If you need a simple solution for ventilation without the fuss, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The non-ducted filtration effectively removes smoke and odors, making it ideal for apartments where venting outside isn't an option. With a 2-speed fan and separate controls for the light, you can customize your ventilation and visibility while cooking. It's designed to fit snugly under your cabinets, measuring 30 inches wide, perfect for standard kitchens. Now, some users have mentioned that the fan could be a bit louder than expected, but honestly, for the price and the functionality it offers, I think it's a fair trade-off. If you're not super sensitive to noise, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment and need a compact hood that does the job efficiently. Skip this one if you want something quieter or more powerful. For the money, it's solid. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a bit more power. Product number 3, Broan Nutone 41004. The third product is another from Broan Nutone, the 41004, retailing at $99. This stainless steel model stands out with its sleek look and effective ventilation. If you're after an upgrade with good performance, keep an eye on this one. What's great about this range hood is that it also features a 2-speed fan and effective LED lighting, just like the previous model, but with a stronger 100 CFM airflow. This means it can handle cooking odors even better, which is crucial for those who love to cook often. Plus, it has a replaceable charcoal filter, helping maintain fresh kitchen air without too much hassle. Now, I did see some complaints about the manual controls being a bit outdated. Here's the thing though, while it may not have fancy digital controls, it's straightforward and gets the job done. If you prefer simplicity, this could still be a great fit. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable hood with a sleek appearance and decent power. Skip this one if you really need high-tech features or a super modern look. For the price, it's a solid buy. Now, if you need something with more power, the next option might just blow you away. Product number 4, Firegas 30-inch range hood. We have the Firegas 30-inch range hood, priced at $74.99. I was drawn to this one because of its convertible feature and 300 CFM airflow. If you want flexibility alongside performance, this is worth your attention. Here's why this matters for you. The 300 CFM suction power is impressive, especially if you frequently cook with strong smells. 2-speed settings allow you to adjust based on your cooking intensity. Plus, the hardwired design can be less of a hassle for some compared to a plug-in model. It's also designed to fit snugly under cabinets, making it a great option for smaller spaces. That said, some users reported that the installation instructions were unclear. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, the performance is absolutely rewarding. It might take a bit of patience, but the outcome is worth it. This is ideal for those who want a powerful range hood that adapts to different kitchen setups. Skip this one if you're looking for a plug-and-play option without the fuss. Considering the performance, it's a real steal. Now, if you want something that combines power with quiet operation, the last product is the one to check out. Product number 5, the Braun NuTone BCSQ130SS. We have the Braun NuTone BCSQ130SS, a higher-end option at $237. This one really impressed me with its 375 CFM power and noise-reducing features. If you don't mind spending a little more for quality, this is the one to consider. What makes this range hood stand out is its ability to remove 97.4% of smoke and odors quickly, coupled with a quieter operation at just 1.5 sones. That's pretty impressive if you want to keep your kitchen air fresh without the annoying noise. It also comes with integrated LED lighting that's perfect for illuminating your cooking space. However, the higher price tag might deter some buyers. Here's the thing. If you prioritize performance and peace while cooking, it's definitely worth the investment. It's quieter and more efficient, which can enhance your cooking experience. This is perfect for serious cooks who want a high-performance appliance that fits well in a modern kitchen. Skip this one if you're on a strict budget or don't need high power. For the quality you get, it's a worthy investment. So to quickly recap, we had the budget-friendly COMFEE CVU30W2AST, the simple yet effective Braun NuTone 413023, the stylish Braun NuTone 413004, the flexible fire gas, and the powerful Braun NuTone BCSQ130SS. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Braun NuTone BCSQ130SS because it balances power, efficiency, and noise level, making it perfect for most cooking needs. On the flip side, I'd suggest avoiding the Braun NuTone 413004 if you're looking for more modern features or digital controls.